Good day everyone. So today we're going to talk about air mattress or air bed. So we have used couple of air bed in the past. Yung particularly yung mga common na parang egg tray, yung maraming mga malalim na part, yung parang bilog-bilog. Ganyan. And most of them really failed, no? Either dun sa may part na may malalim, dun nagkakaroon ng tear, and then yung sa mga dugtungan doon. So when we saw this, when we went to Camp Cafe PH, and then we really got it got our interest. Nung umupo kami, sinubukan namin siya, and then it's really interesting, no? Dahil firm yung ano niya, yung feel niya. Kapag nilagyan mo ng water dito, say for example dito sa dulo, yan. Usually, kapag ka sa normal airbed, kapag ka may pressure na dito, lilipat yung siguro yung air or something na pressure, then pupunta dun sa ibang part ng airbed, and then tendency tatalbog yung whatever is on that part, no? Lalo na kapag yung natutulog kayo, magkakatabi kayo, kapag ka gumalaw yung isa, mararamdaman nung iba. So in this case, kapag ka dito tayo, hindi siya nagbabounce, no? And even if we stand, no? Yan. Hindi siya talagang very firm and sturdy. Cool siya. And then yung surface niya, smooth. Kapag halimbawa nadumihan, madali lang siyang punasan, hindi kagaya ng parang fabric like na yung ibabaw, parang I forgot what it's called, parang carpet, semi-carpet, na mahirap linisan. So by the way, this is Air Block Choreo by Hoodie. And the size of this is 150 by 200. And with a height of 35 cm. You will notice at my back, yung sofa, parang mas mas mataas pa siya ng few inches, no? The good thing about having this height, kapag kagunising ka at binaba mo yung paa mo gano'n, hindi na mahirap bumangon kasi nasa sitting position ka na. That is particularly for middle-aged people like us. Sa mga younger ones kasi wala namang problema sa kanila kung mababa yung But then for middle-aged or senior, this one is highly recommended para madali lang bumangon. And what else? Yung material nito feels sturdy, and then meron ding very thin fiber na maraming fiber dito sa ilalim, part of the composition of this airbed. And then yung ilalim nito is similar din. So I think pwede siyang ibaliktad. Diba? So same lang din siya. Ayan. So may mga reminder dito, avoid gamitin sa swimming, gunting, flammable. Ayan. And the PSI or the air pressure, according to Camp Cafe Philippines, do not exceed 1 PSI. Yun na yung yun yung pinaka mataas yun na air pressure na ilalagay dito. Yun yung highly recommended. Around siguro mga 0.5 to 1 PSI. But then again, depende sa inyo. Kung yung 1 PSI is matigas para sa inyo, then pwede mo naman bawasan. Wala namang problema. By the way, yung valve niya nandito sa gilid. Yan. And the valve is yun yung kagaya ng mga ginagamit sa mga air kayak. Yan. And yung paddle ba yun? Yung paddle board na ginagamitan ng air, ini-inflate. So, ganun siya. And this is the pump that we used to pump this, no? This is from Nature Height, pero meron din kasi si Kudi na same design, ganito lang din. Same specs, this can produce 600 liter of air per minute. So, kahit maliit siya, it's fast to fill in air. Siguro mga 2 to 3 minutes enough na yun to fill in the air. And pwede mo siya gamitin to to deflate and to inflate. Yan. So lilipat mo lang yung air nozzle. And yung air nozzle niya, hindi siya yung usual na air nozzle na ginagamit sa ibang air mattress. Kasi nga, yung air valve niya is the one being used sa mga inflatable na kayak. So, yun siya. And then, to turn on this air pump, there's the power button here, and this also serves the power off button. So, press it for 2 seconds. And then to turn it off, isang click lang siya. So, this is really useful. You can also buy a manual pump. I saw one kay Camp Zion, yung similar sa ginagamit sa mga Kudi na air tent na manual. And the good thing about that pump is that it already has a gauge. And like this one, it doesn't have a gauge. So you really have to watch or monitor. Hindi mo siya pwedeng iwanan na tuloy-tuloy lang because it might exceed the recommended maximum PSI. You can also use an air pump na cordless, yung mas malaki dito, yung parang rectangular type, and yun digital yun. So you can set the PSI, let's say for example 1 PSI, and then commonly used din kasi yun sa mga air tent, kasi ang air tent, the recommended PSI used for that is 7 PSI, but for this one maximum of 1 PSI. I think I remember if I read the manual for this one, the maximum PSI that this can give is maximum of 2 PSI. Yan. So ito 1 PSI pa nga lang eh. Well, I don't know exactly because I don't have a gauge, but I think it's approximately 1 PSI. Ito na yung parang pinaka-firm firm niya na na feel. And then if you wanted to reduce the air pressure, you can just open the valve and then press the, so you can press it multiple times and then feel mo lang. Pero pagka pinress mo yung valve ng madiin, so mas marami siyang ayan, mababa na siya. Malaki na yung nabawas na hangin. And then the good thing about here, with this particular air pump, since yung valve niya is the ones like used sa mga air kayak, naglalak siya. So, pwede mo na siya iwan. So, let me show you how it is. Bumalik na. Konti lang yung kinakailangan i-feel. Matigas na ulit siya. And then here is the bag that came with it. And then yung quality ng bag niya makapal din, no? Makapal. And then yung zipper niya nakalagay talaga doon, Kudi. Unlike sa iba, yung generic lang na YKK. And the fabric, it's nice. And it has a label. It says Air Black Choreo Kudi. And may kasama siyang belt. Kagaya nung sa mga air tent, no, may belt na kasama kapag na-roll mo na siya. And then inside, there's also a small pocket where the patch kit, repair kit is placed. This one. Parang dalawa siyang, dalawang patch, and then may pandikit, and then meron ding parang small brush to spread the glue. Yan. And then, aside from that, at the back of this is the pocket for quick guide. Pero binasa ko naman siya, wala masyadong information. Not even the record or the recommended PSI, hindi siya nakalagay doon. So, don't be confused kasi meron ding tinatawag na Air Black Premium si Kudi. And that Air Black Premium is the one that came with the cover itself. At first, parang okay siya kasi may built-in na siya na cover. Unlike this one, bibilan mo pa talaga siya ng cover. But one thing that I didn't like, pagka binuksan mo siya, para siyang semi-transparent na plastic or something. At least for me, no, hindi naman ako technical na when it comes to examining the material. Pero parang semi-transparent siya na salbabida, parang ganun, na parang pakiramdam ko hindi ganun katibay. But of course, it's goodie, matibay din yun. But then, iba pa rin yung feel kasi nung material sa loob nito that makes this good, at least based on my preference. No? So, hopefully, it will last longer. And when we went to Camp Cafe PH, they have a display na nakalagay sa loob ng AirTent 8.0 nila na may kasamang cover made particularly for this model. And according to them, after they pumped it, it's been like couple of weeks already, pero hindi pa nababawasan yung hangin. Compared dun sa mga previous AirTent na nagamit namin in the past, it's like after overnight, medyo mararamdaman mo na nabawasan na siya ng hangin. So that's one of the good thing na nagustuhan namin dito sa particular model na to. So medyo a little bumpy siya, no? If you compare this to Modofo or Nature Hike na almost same category na mataas siya, I think mas mataas nga na konti yun eh. This is 35 cm, yung sa kanila 40 cm. Yun yung parang may mga may mga maliliit din na malalim na part, parang egg tray. So comparing the material, na try ko yung Modofo, medyo mapapaisip ka talaga na kailangan ingatan mo ng sobra kasi para siyang manipis, yung at least to my feel, no. But for this one, it feels para siyang alam mo yung kapag nakakita ka ng isang good quality material talaga, lalo na sa ibang mga camping gears, ma-notice mo talaga yung difference ng quality. So ganun din to. Itong Airblock Core. Yan. So we inquired to Camp Cafe a few weeks ago, and with Easy Camp, they ran out of stock. And luckily, when we had a chance to visit the other day, just to drop by to see if they already have stock, nagkataon, sabi nila, there's a stock on the way. So sabi ko, sige, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Then, on the way na daw yung shipment. And then, yun, nakuha namin siya. And we tested it, and it's all good. So they still have a few stock. By the way, this is 150 by 200. This is double or queen size. And then they have the triple or 200 by 200, and they have also the single, the 105 by 200. So, yun. And then lahat ang kinuha nila, I think na stock is yung 35 cm na height. So, this is a good one to invest for an air mattress, and I hope this will last very long, and not just for camping but for your home as well. If you have a visitor, this will be a good one to be a spare bed for your guest. Okay, so I hope you like my video. I think I have covered everything about this air mattress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated tayo sa mga next video natin. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.